video making grilled chicken legs.
Good afternoon everyone guys, almost 4:30 here in Norwegian time. So mag-grill tayo ng chicken. So ito na guys, yung chicken natin. Chicken legs. Brush lang natin ng oil to extra yummy. Yes. And then mag-extra tayo ng paprika powder to make it extra yummy. And I have garlic powder guys. Yes. To make it extra delicious ang ano natin yung grilled chicken legs. I have pepper powder. Yes, it's going to yummy. I have the grill seasoning guys, but available sa inyo. Pag wala, hindi na yan kailangan. Hindi na kailangan itong salt dahil may ado na ito siya. May salt na siya guys. So, nakamarinate na ito siya ng pagbili ko. Pero nag-additional lang ako siya ng spice to make it extra yummy. That is it. I-brush lang natin ito. Yan. Brush natin para to make it extra yummy. Yan. This is it. And then, ibalik ta rin natin guys para naman yung sa likod, maano siya. Patulad ng, ano natin, yung spices natin. Gamit tayo ng paprika powder. And then, garlic powder. Same as usual lang guys, ang pag-ano natin. And, of course, yung pepper powder. Yeah, that is it. And grill powder. So, i-grill lang natin itong almost 30 minutes lang guys. Kasi, ano ito guys, pag bili ko, luto na siya. Medyo nakamarinate na siyang grill. Ang ginawa ko lang, nag-extra lang ako ng spices to make it extra yummy. Ganyan ako guys. Dahil bilhin mo doon, wala, kaunti gan yung lasa. Pag extra mong test, ganyan talaga guys. Masarap, masarap, masarap. It's so yummy. Lagyan ko siya ng oil to make it, ano natin, yung balat guys, titigas siya. That is it. And then balik rin natin ulit. Yan. Ganyan lang tayo, madiskarte sa buhay. Eat with rice this one guys. Kain tayo ng rice nito. Yan, that is it. And, ito na siya guys. And, continue lang muna. Yan. Nagpainit na ako, nagpreheat na ako ng oven, yung grill, to make it 30 minutes. So, ito na siya guys. I-grill na natin. My grilled chicken is done. It's time to eat now. Let's eat! Let's eat dinner guys. That is grilled chicken legs. Of course, mayroon tayong air fry french fries. And pesto, macaroni, broccoli. Yes! Yes, with creamy na yan guys. That is it. It's yummy. Kuha tayo ng macaroni with pesto guys. Yes, yes. It's so yummy. And delicious. Yeah. Meron tayo ng chicken legs. Yes. And a little bit french fries to make it extra yummy. That is it. That is my dinner today. It's yummy.